So guys, Granny has been in a bad mood recently, so I decided to destroy the kitchen and the house, and now she has to clean it all up because I broke this house, and I don't know why she could be in a possibly very bad mood. So I'm gonna keep on hitting your head. Come here, Granny. Ugh. Oh, I'm making her fly. Alright. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep on just destroying her house, because that's what I do. As a cat, I keep on destroying people's houses because I'm a cat. Crap, didn't get this wine bottle. There you go. Oh, wait. Wait, what happens if I grab a fork and where's the outlet? I got a miniature-sized mind as a cat, and I have an IQ of 5. No, not an IQ of 5. I have... Alright, let's see what happens. Do not... Alright. Do not do this in your life. She's not gonna know. So... Yeah, basically... Oh, cat food. Of course I gotta have a lot of this. Obviously I have to have a lot of this. Yeah! And then we gotta throw poop at Grandma. This is so cringe. Come here, Grandma. Come here. Where'd Grandma go? Alright, I'm gonna throw poop at her. Or, I'm gonna throw feces at her and then just... Never mind. Never mind, I got beef for you. Although, I don't show it. Oh! Vase is up there. I'm destroying those. Grandma, come and catch me. Alright. Here you go. That's what you get. So we gotta run up here. It's pretty easy for a cat with like 50 IQ. Come on. Then. Yeah. There we go. It's pretty smart of me. I mean, obviously. Alright, I'm gonna throw this. Since, like, there's barely anything here. And then I'll throw this. Here we go. There we go. You need some dentures, dude. Yeah, I look scared. No! She's gonna hit me with the frickin' pan! Come here. She needs her dentures in, so she can look like a cat. Again. Wait, is Granny a vampire? I think she might be. Oh gosh. Dude, that is scary. She's a vampire! That explains a lot. Alright, let me just take off these glasses. She's a vampire! That's scary! Stop being scary, Grandma! Oh my god! Nope, nope, nope! That is horrifying! Nope, nope, no! No, gosh! I'll fatten up these fish. Oh, I hit these out of your mouth. Alright, let's get Grandma to look super duper cool. Cool. Not cool. Cool, bro. Freaking said cool. Cool. Alright, so we gotta go over here. We're gonna turn into something. Here it is. Forgot that it was a horse head. Right. Let's go down. Alright, let's hurry and put the horse on the head of Grandma. Obviously, that's what it's for. Give me. There we go! We got Grandma's a horse! Grandma's a horse now. Alright, let's throw the silverware off. Alright, I can't tell if she's angry or she's happy. Okay, where's the knife?
I'm going to.
Okay, I'm taking that thing off. That's too hilarious. Oh, sorry, James. Oh yeah, his name's James. Doesn't blame, but he's insane, bruh. I know, right? Stop. Don't put this on your frickin' face, dude. Instead, wear these. These will make you cool in 5 minutes, bruh. Not 5 minutes if you're... There you go. Granny be looking like fire. So, I got my revenge on Grandma. Turned her into a psycho grandma. You know, actually a freaking Sigma grandma. And she looks scary. She looks like she's oh, alright. So yeah. I'm gonna end the video right here. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below if I should keep on posting these types of videos. I might still be freaking posting these videos, obviously. I bought this game just to make some videos and play this game. It's insanely fun. It's called I Am Cat VR, and it's fun and it's freaking money, but it's worth it. So yeah, subscribe!